Cruz and DJ Mitchell. Ball is up and we are under.
A 3-and-D guy for LaSalle.
Avilona, good catch underneath, and he scores on the reverse.
Be dubbed as a Ravenna, a Kiefer Ravenna stopper nung college days niya.
One
Former Blazer.
No,
Torp still.
Incoming.
Sorry.
baka magtampo si Charles Cruz sa'yo.
Mali.
Ives Sazon knocks down. Robbie, dire-diretso. Palpalang inabot kay Carl Brian Cruz.
Nice
Mitchell
pass.
is on his way to get the minus with the rebound.
Nice move.
What a move. Minus with a finger roll.
And out move going to his right. Binitbit pa, pinakita ang bola. Tinapos sa ring. Carl Brian Cruz naman, top of the key, 3.
Rebound, here comes Robbie Darang. Darang to Sazon. Yes! And we are tied.
Matched on the other end as Candor was not on Ives Sazon. And Sazon takes advantage and Candor going strong to his left and finishes.
Sorry. Kayo ba tinalo? Joke lang. Darang. Oh, what a move. Robbie Darang.
For the left-handed Robbie Darang.
O'Malley gets
On
a
the
running
roll,
start
yeah.
and he finishes.
Funny how you say that, no? The irony.
Jacking start. They go down low to minus. Easy too.
Could have been the three-point play too, Omar.
Navarro leading the break. Finds John Hamon for the baseline jumper.
Ito yung depth. They have Batalier. If this team could come together, they can be really not only dangerous but a contender, especially with Greg Snowder coming in for on the post. Used to be lethal.
Oh,
That's
a
a
foul
foul.
on Navarro. Makes his move, the
Good
kick out.
pass.
Hanapi for 3. Yes! Great pass, galing. Navarro. Nice pass. Rabah Al-Husseini with the finish.
Pretty beautiful dump by Navarro.
Minus.
Nice.
Wow, a variety of moves. Galing kay Mitchell. Mine defended by Acuno.
He was trying to fish for a foul. A good job by Acuno of just putting his hands up.
Oh, Chris Torrado. Don't forget about
niya ang resiliency ng Risers in their last 2 wins, which speaks of good conditioning by everybody. Malakas o mahina daw sila sa kalaban, importante yung nakakasabay hanggang dulo. Agree, CNC?
I have to agree kasi nakita ko na yung first 2 games nila. They've you can never count them out. Every time minus.
Shot clock.
Nice pass to Sazon for 3. Yes, sir. Strong. Rebound ni Hanapi. Quickly to Cruz. Cruz will lay it in. Gabawan. Trying to find minus. Gets it on the second serving. Meron na siyang 10 puntos. Mitchell minus. Minus. Acuno with a jumper. Yes, sir. Pau Havilona uses the O'Malley pick. Havilona, the kick out. Carl Brian Cruz for 3.
And that's something. Velona and a pass to the wide open corner on the other side.
Minus to Acuno. Fires. Yes, again. Ray Acuno, 4 points.
Baskets, iniiwan mo na yung follow through mo sa pangalawa.
Avilona for 3. That's good.
Third quarter.
Dorado. Bring us bobbled that basketball. Oh! Dante Baguio rises above everyone.
Terrific effort for the stick back.
Avilona. Jumper over Dorado. got
of Bataan. They give up about 4 or 5 inches
nice
easily. Ayun, 4 or 5 inches off the
rebound. Dorado, they go down low to Sazon against Mitchell. Sazon lays it in for 2.
testing the defense of Mitchell.
14 points para kay Sazon. Avilona, nice two-man game with Batalier.
And that's something.
They went for the extra pass there, Sazon. Instead, it's Hanapi who will score. Hinihintay ko. Dorado, the runner off the glass and in. Great. Have Navarro here. Cruz is open.
That's
Yes.
money. Umali against this zone. 1-3-1 zone. Good pass.
Hanapi is open. Yes, sir.
And that's the reason.
2 seconds in the shot clock. Renzo flips it up. No. Sean O'Malley with a putback. Here. Batalier.
There's the
gives
short
Cruz.
corner. There you go.
Carl Brian Cruz, easy too.
But that,
Here's Sazon. Swings it over. Octubre.
he needs this shot.
Rafi Octubre. Nagbababa ng bola. Hamon. Hamon fires a 3. Yes, sir.
He would end up open kung walang magre-recover ng maayos. Hamon, challenged by Octubre.
Batalier puts it in. Harvey. Wala. Gabawan, Tumaines banks it in. It combined for 13 assists yung dalawang guardia ng Manila. Darang gets the finger roll to drop.
They combined for 4 of surpassing that. Robbie Daran scores for Bataan. High-low play.
O'Malley with a reverse.
Kanina pa.
Minus. Ooh. Minus gets that one to drop.
That's a- As a
It's a smile si Ate Mika na sa atin eh. Here
4-on-1.
Here comes Bataan. The extra pass to Castro.
19, creating separation. Doon sa third quarter, kaya lumamang sila into double figures. Beautiful baseline.
Jeff Santos on Pau Habilona, much taller player. Cruz knocks it
That's
down.
big. That's big.
Rebound. Collected by Mitchell. Fires a 3. That's good. The handle. Here comes Sazon. Leaves it to
Nice.
Darang. Robbie Darang. Basket and 1.
Shoulder to learn how to finish with that offhand.
Oh, Sazon. Quick release. That's good. Navarro.
Hanapi's gonna be open. Oh,
Alusaini.
Hanapi relocated at the top of the key. Open shot though for Sazon.
Darang looking for Sazon for 3. Yes, sir! Got the step. Alusaini free. Wala. Hanapi with the rebound. Layup is good.
They're gonna look for that high-low on Al-Husseini.
Raba. Yes.
And guess what?
Manila looking to put the finishing touches here. Navarro. Avilona is open. He fires and hits. Pau Avilona.
Of being the generals on the floor. And yet, as we mentioned at the top, through a lot of teaching moments.